Good day and welcome to today's MecadMinute. Today I want to show you 3 quick drawing tips that might help you to work more efficient. In SOLIDWORKS Drawings we have a fantastic tool called the auto-arrange dimensions that enables you to place dimensions spaced, aligned, centered, adjusted and staggered if necessary. This can be done by window selecting the required dimensions, pause the mouse for a few seconds, wait for this pop-up, and select the first one, auto-arrange dimension. Then, this dimensions selected will be equally spaced. Secondly, what I want to show you is the breaking lines. In detailed drawing, we might encounter dimensions that interferes with one another. Overlaying dimensions can cause frustrations, but in SOLIDWORKS, another powerful tool called breaking lines enables you to avoid overlaying dimensions while detailing. Choose the dimensions which cause the overlaying, go to Leaders, scroll down the bar, select Breaking Lines, make sure that option is enabled. Now, as you can see, the selected dimension line will then get a break and it makes it free from any interferences. And then lastly, the Flag Note Bank option. In drawings, we usually create notes to convey the design information. Information may be referenced as highlighted colors or patterns. In SOLIDWORKS, we have a productive tool called the Flag Note Bank, which is used to reference the information easily and in a convenient way. First, simply add a note in the corner of the sheet, number the notes individually, then double-click the number you wish to flag. Choose the type of flag and select the Add to Flag option. Now the flag has been added. Finally, to add the balloon to the flag, go to Balloons, enable the Flag Note Bank, then select where you would like to reference the note. There you go, 3 quick drawing tips. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.